আমাৰ ধন্যবাদ সকলোকে জয়েন কৰাৰ বাবে আজি সো আমাৰ কিছুমান হাউসকিপিং ৰুল আছে we are going to mute everyone সকলোকে আমি মিউট কৰিম আৰু যেতিয়া আপোনালোকে মিউট হৈ থাকিব তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে কিবা যদি ক'ব বিচাৰে তেতিয়া প্লিজ you guys can chat or like add your whatever you want to say you can put it on the chat window ঠিক আছে and once we start the program, we will not able to share your feelings like kunbai kotha kobo khujileo please don't unmute yourself. So it will mean amar rule aji aru ami maje maje khuli dim line to okolu performer jete perform koribo tete ami line to khuli dim aru line to khuli diar lage lage apnaloke kotha patibo paribo aru tenekoi amar program to goi thakibo. So moi arambho koru. নমস্কাৰ আশা কৰো আপোনালোক সকলোৰে ভাল আজি আপোনালোক সকলোকে ইয়াত লগ পাই আমি নথৈ আনন্দিত হৈছো আৰু শিল্পী সেৱা দিৱস হৈ মই আপোনালোকক এই অনুষ্ঠানটিলৈ আদৰণি জনাইছো Good morning, good afternoon and good evening everyone. I am Anjana Bordoloi from Maryland, USA. Welcome to Shilpi Seva fundraising program for the folk artists of Assam to honor them for their immense contribution to Assamese culture and tradition. So today is a special day. It's our Independence Day, 74th Independence Day. And we want independence not just with the words, but actual actions too. So we, a group of Assamese community in America and Canada, want to reach out to these local artists of Assam to provide with them some financial support with your contribution. So I will go over a short presentation to talk about what is Shilpi Seva. Next slide, please. Why Shilpi Seva? So we all know that Assam is the seventh sister in the northeastern part of India, is known for rich tradition of old age folk music and culture. This tradition has been kept alive for generations by local folk artists who earn their livelihood by showcasing them. But you know, everything has been shattered because of COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the cancellation of the shows and the closure of all the institutions, the entertainment industry across the world is highly impacted, and our artists also lost their only source of income. In a minimum, we can do something for them, right? So, Shilpi Seva is an initiative. Next slide, please. So, it's an initiative by a group of volunteers across North America to provide financial relief to our local artists of Assam with support with the entire Assamese diaspora across the globe. So this fundraiser is a way like paying back to our debts to these local artists for showcasing Assamese culture not only in regional but also national and the international platform, and their contribution to the traditions of the folk music in our society. Next slide, please. So I want to emphasize a little bit more about this slide. So here you can see in this slide, we have all the categories of the artists who will be benefited through Shilpi Seva. So starting from Khatriya, Bihu, Khul, Zikir Zari, Tea Garden, Missing Nitya, Songit. So you can see, আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে যে আমি সকলো ধৰণৰ folk artistক আমি এই শিল্পী সেৱাৰ ইনিচিয়েটিভৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি we are trying to help them during this crisis. So I would like to thank again, because without your contribution, it would have not been possible at all. So we are going to help more than 100 Shilpi from Assam through this initiative. So we are grateful to you all, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart that without your contribution, it would have not been possible. Next slide, please. So the selection and the fund disbursement of this initiative is very unique. So each artist or beneficiaries has gone through a detailed interview process conducted by the Shilpi Sewa team members based on list of qualification criteria and the rubric score. So Shilpi Sewa is directly depositing the funds to the beneficiary account without any intervention of the third party. So আমি সকলোকে কি কৰিছো ফোন কৰিছো তেওঁলোকক সুধিছো তেওঁলোকৰ অৱস্থাটো কি আমি মনৰ কথাবিলাক সুধিছো কি হৈছে এতিয়া তেওঁলোক কেনেকৈ চলি আছে আমাৰ মানে কেতিয়াবা কি হয় ফোনটো কৰাৰ সময়ত আমাৰ খুব দুখ লাগে আচলতে মই কেতিয়াবা ফোনটো থৈ দিওঁ মই পিছত ফোন কৰিম বুলি so it's like that kind of a situation in Assam right now so we are going through each and every beneficiaries in detail so আপোনালোকৰ just জনাবৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ এইখিনি সহযোগৰ কাৰণে আজি আমি এনেকৈ সাহস পাইছো তেওঁলোকক সহায় কৰিবৰ কাৰণে next slide please all right so this is the fun part that we are waiting for right so today is August 15th and we know that our star performers of Assam our Bollywood singer and the heartthrob Jubin Garg our folk queen Kalpana Patwari and our rock star Joy Borua is performing today in this event and one important thing I want to really emphasize that they are philanthropically helping us and they are part of Shilpi Sewa as a part of Shilpi Sewa they are helping us and performing here so this is very very commendable I really want to thank so please clap for them and without them this is not possible at all so next slide so here we go so Varsha Rani Vishaya we don't need to introduce her separately we all know that she is a renowned actor and she is very very talented and her like beautiful words that comes out it's like amazing and she will run the show today and she's gonna take care of after me that she's going to take care of the show so she will mesmerize the audience with her personality and we would like to thank Varsha thank you if you are hearing so I really appreciate from the team Shilpi Sewa from the bottom of our hearts next slide all right so so we started this initiative sometime on the month of June so we started to discuss about it so it is almost like 6 to 7 weeks of hard work so this is the team who is behind so I will go ahead and introduce them with the names so that we all can see them personally can you please put your phone on mute in between thank you so the team Shilpi Sewa we have volunteer across United States and Canada. So I want to introduce first Mr. Shyam Dev Chaudhary from Pennsylvania. Mrs. Dil Deka from Texas.
Howdy from Texas.
Tripti Bora from New Jersey.
Namaskar. Hi everybody. Happy Independence Day, India.
Giti Das from Minneapolis.
Hello from Minnesota. Thank you all for your support.
Rashna Nath from Arizona.
Hello, namaskar. Thank you for your contributions.
We have Sikha Sharma from Maryland.
Namaskar. ধন্যবাদ অশেষ ধন্যবাদ আপোনালোকৰ কন্ট্ৰিবিউশনৰ কাৰণে
Mayasri Barua from California.
Namaskar. Thank you for your support and all your help.
Devobrata Sharma from California.
Hello, thank you for joining. Happy Independence Day and thanks for your support. Really appreciate it.
Gitasri Gogoi Apte from Alberta.
Thank you and thank you for your support.
Rituraj Pukan from Illinois.
Hello everybody, Rituraj from Chicago. Without your help, this event would not have been possible. So thank you so much.
Arup Goswami from Alberta.
Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for joining and welcome to the show. Thank you.
Lobita Fukan Sharma from California. Indrani Borua from Maryland.
Thank you everyone for your support.
Partha Gogoi from Virginia. Krishna Hazarika from Maryland.
Hello everyone. Thank you.
And he is my better half. So Chiranjit Bordoloi from Michigan.
Hello everyone, thank you. On behalf of Michigan, আপোনালোকক সকলোলৈ ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আৰু স্বাধীনতা দিৱসৰ ওলগ জনাইছো। Thank you.
And Ankur Bora from Texas. Alright, so we have Shyam Dev Chaudhary from Pennsylvania. Shyam, to me, hi Koiria, because you have done a lot of work for Shilpi Sewa.
Hi everybody, happy Independence Day. Thanks for coming today. Means a lot to us.
Thank you. So thank you everyone for all your support. And now our Shilpi Sewa volunteer kids will perform the national anthem of India.